Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are studying cope rearrangement. Rearrangement of 1,5-diene to its isomeric diene on heating is called cope rearrangement. Like this is a 3,4-dimethyl 1,5-pentadiene, 3,4,1,5-pentadiene. So that will give rearranged methyl groups are rearranged and it will give the 2,6-octadiene. This is the intermolecular rearrangement. Mechanism is that this double bond between 5 and 6 carbon shifts between 4 and 5 carbon, and 3 and 4 carbon bond breaks and shifts between the 2 and 3 carbon. This 1 and 2 carbon bond breaks and it shifts between the 1 and 6 carbon. Like this is 1 carbon and 6 carbon bond is formed, 1 and 2 is broken, and 2 and 3 is formed, 3 and 4 bond breaks, and 4 and 5 bond this also breaks, 3 and 4 bond this breaks, and 5 and 4 bond is formed. 5 and 4 carbon bond between 5 and 4 carbon is formed as a double bond, 5 and 4. Like this is the cyclic 6 carbon transition state. Now this cyclic 6 carbon transition state rearrange and it will give the cis trans 2,6-octadiene. It is the chair conformation. When transition state is chair conformation, then cis trans, this is the axial, this is equatorial heterogen, this methyl group is equatorial or this heterogen is axial. So then axial and this is the equatorial. Equatorial is trans, this is the axial, this is also alkyl group considered axial. So this axial is the cis and this is equatorial and this is the axial, so it is the trans. So this is cis trans 2,6-octadiene. When both conformation is formed, then it will give the both trans or cis 2,6-octadiene like this. Similarly, bond between 5 and 6 breaks, 5 and 4 bond is formed, and 4 and 3 bond breaks, and 3 and 4 bond is formed, and 1 and 6 bond is formed between 1 and 6 carbon. Like this is the boat conformation. Now this boat conformation rearrange and give the and this will give the trans 2,6-octadiene. This is trans 2,6-octadiene. It is the sigmatropic rearrangement similar to the Claisen rearrangement. Degenerate cope rearrangement is also observed like this. This is the 1,5-pentadiene. This 1,5-pentadiene rearrange and give the 1,5-pentadiene, which is similar, indistinguishable from the first one, and it is the mirror image. This bond will shift between this carbon and this carbon, and this bond will shift between this is 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 5 and 6 carbon shifts between 4 and 5, and this bond breaks and found between 3 and 2 carbon, and 2 and 1 carbon shifts between 1 and 6 carbon like this. Product is mirror image or indistinguishable from the reactant, so therefore that is called a degenerate cope rearrangement. Similarly, rearrangement is also observed in the cation. This is the proton shift. Proton shifts from, this is 1 carbon, this is the 2 carbon, 3 carbon and 4 carbon, 3 to 2 carbon like this. So carbocation is indistinguishable from the first one. Degenerate carbocation is obtained. Similarly, 1,3,5 hexatriene also shows the shifting of sigma bonds. 1,3 cyclohexadiene is obtained. This bond between 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon, 5 and 6. 1 and 2 shifts between 1 and 6, and 3 and 4 this 1 and 2 shifts between the 3 and 4 carbon, 2 and 3 carbon, and 3 and 4 bond double bond shifts between 4 and 5, and this 5 and 6 double bond shifts between 1 and 6 like this will give the 1,3 cyclohexadiene. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faraja ali Muhammad.